Welcome to episode 5 of Will It Microwave, the show where we microwave things to see what happens. In today's episode, we'll be microwaving this plain bar of scented soap. It's made in Australia, relatively soft. Let's see what happens. We'll just gently place it in. And this time I think we'll put it in for about 60 seconds. Let's take a look. Once we wave away that lovely soapy smell, we can see that our soap has foamed up a little bit. Still very hot, but has bubbled up quite nicely. Thank you for watching this episode of Will It Microwave. Be sure to join us in the next one for more excitement.